While modelling this scene based on Ordnance Survey information, I noticed a very strange thing happening here. If I copy, say, this roof shape, pick a base point, okay, and I want to bring this towards me. Okay, can you see what's happening? It's kind of going the wrong way. If I try and move it away from me, it's going the wrong way again. Now, I just had a notion that this Ordnance Survey information is a long, long way from the origin. So this is in Glasgow, this site. The origin is in the Scilly Isles. So I'm just going to go back to the plan view. So going back to the World UCS, back to plan view. Okay, but if I zoom out, you can actually see where the world origin is. It's a long, long way away. So what I'm going to do is see if I get the same behavior if I move all this back closer to the world origin. So let's use the corner of this as the kind of, is going to be the 0, 0. So I've got quite a few layers switched off and frozen that I just need to bring back on before I move it. Otherwise I'll leave them all behind. Okay. Any more? Yeah. Let's get all these layers switched on and thawed, so we don't leave anything behind. Okay. Then I'm going to draw a line from 0, 0, 0. Okay. Switch ortho off, and I'll bring it to here. Okay. So that's going to be the corner of the model. So let's zoom out. And all I need to do is move this stuff from the end of this line to the other end of the line. So I'm going to move the line out of the way slightly and then move everything. So put a window around that. It's going to bring up a lot of objects, 14,000. Press enter. Base point, destination. Okay, lose the line. Okay, zoom extends. Now it still thinks that the drawing is up in that area. Obviously it's not. Okay, I'm not sure if there is an extents command. No, I can't remember what the command is, but there is something that you can kind of say this is the working area. I'm just going to use regen all, and now I'm going to get back into that 3D view. Let's just go back to the standard view because it's going to be a bit crazy. Okay, so I was looking down kind of from this angle. I need to freeze off a few layers so we can see what we were doing. Okay, so here's the building. Okay, and I'd set up a 3-point UCS. So just replicating what was getting done before, and then copy this, enter, base point. There you go. Put ortho on again. The move is behaving now. Interesting. I didn't think Autocad was impacted so much as that, but it was really freaking out the coordinates. Okay, I can sleep soundly tonight. Okay, hope you found that useful.